When you love chapati, like me, you will be making it every time. In today's video, we are going to make chapati. Chapati is known most in India and in East and Central Africa. Now, let us start with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, a cup of milk, 80 milliliter of oil, 2 teaspoons of melted butter, and 3 eggs. I lastly added a cup of water. Then give it a mix. If you have watched some of my video about cooking chapati, you will find this one is very different because the ingredients I'm adding in, I never used to add into the previous ones, like adding eggs, adding milk, adding baking powder. This is the first time I'm using them on chapati. So you will need to watch this video until the end because there is what I have showed to the end of this video, what I had with chapati. Most of the time I usually showed that I'm eating chapati with beans, with the peas, with the meat, but this one is different. So you need to watch this video until the end so you know what I'm having with this chapati. And for all ingredients, I will ask you to click the description button and everything, all the ingredients, measurements will be ready for you. Now enjoy watching until the end of the video. I love having chapati with tea. Now let us make what we're gonna have with chapati. Onion, bell pepper, tomato, green onion, sprinkle some salt, 3 eggs, mix. Then cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Now check and turn your egg on the other side, but I have to cut it into 2 because I have 2 chapati. Now your eggs are done. It's time for you to start rolling. Put egg into chapati, roll it. And if you need some sauce, just go ahead. Put anything you want to add on. And now your chapati are ready. So enjoy it with tea and anything. Thank you.